Hi, how you doing? Well, this tiny house I've been working on is almost finished now, but things change. The lady that I've been building it for has had a massive change in plans, and this is now for sale.
Right, let's hit the technical aspect first. It's fully insulated floors, walls and roof. It's made out of cool store panelling, which is incredibly strong and stiff and durable. It's on a custom built trailer which is galvanized. It's braked for a 2.5 ton limit. At the moment this weighs 2,200 kilograms. There's 300 kg for appliances and beds and that sort of thing. The windows are aluminium joinery, the doors are wooden joinery. Inside, I've thrown a few things in just so that you can see what it will be like when your stuff's in there. No carpet, no lino yet, that's up to you. This is the bathroom. The bathroom is a full wet room and can be used as such, or it can have a small shower cubicle installed along with the toilet of your choice. There's one of my fireplaces inside the raised lounge. Under the floor of the raised lounge there are 7 very big storage areas. Under the stairs, more storage. Okay, straight ahead of us we've got the bay window. Most people just draw the curtains. I've had to draw a whole window because mine's still being made. I've been told it'll be ready by the end of the week. I'm looking forward to that. Now here's where the fridge and the pantry go, in the alcove under the stairs. Lots of storage in the stairs. I'm envisaging a bookcase or something on that wall. There's a wood box set into the floor on either side of the fireplace. It doesn't have to be used as a wood box, can be anything. Here's the other set of French doors. They'll be going in a day or two as soon as the putty's dried and I can get them painted. It's got such a spacious, airy feeling. The ceilings are very high in the middle. There in the child's loft, the headroom is 1.5 metres, that's 5 foot. Plenty of room for a grown kid to play and sleep. We were envisaging a fold-down deck outside those French doors. There'll be a large cupboard fitted below the bay window for all the utilities. That's outside on the drawbar. Upstairs, here's the landing. Standing in here gives you full head height for getting dressed in the mornings. Both lofts can have a wall, either part way or full way, for privacy and safety, added at any time. I can do that for the buyer if that's what they require. Carpet and lino or any floor coverings, your choice.